Hi, this is regarding headlight problems on a VW Golf. This is 2013, late model 2013. Problems with the headlight not working. In this case it's the left-hand headlight. I've found out that when you get into the headlight you can make it work intermittently by messing around with the bulb holder. So the first thing you need to do is in here, take the wheel off, remove your splash trim there, remove the splash trim, get to the back of the headlight, take the cover off, and in here is your bulb holder. This is your bulb with the bulb holder. It only goes in one way. It goes in there, pushes and locks in place. In doing so, those two pins just in there engage on the two pins just here, and if I can get this to focus, you'll be able to see on this bulb holder, just get some more light on it, just here. It doesn't show up very well on camera, you can see it a little bit better at that angle. What's happened is this terminal's got hot and it's melted the plastic underneath the terminal, and this has consequently made this terminal here, if you look at the level of it, the one on the left of the picture, it's sunk back a bit, which then means that it doesn't contact the pins in here properly. It doesn't contact the two pins in there properly, so you get an intermittent headlight. There's a little kit available from Volkswagen which is about 13 quid. You get a new bulb holder, and you also get the new female recipient which screws into the back of the headlight. You even get the connector, so it's dead handy. It's obviously a problem that they know is happening because they produced a kit for it. It's available, it's on the shelf, and it's only cheap. So if you're having problems with your headlight, one of the first things to check is to just grab the back of the headlight bulb, give it a little tweak, and if the light works intermittently, then it's probably a fault with your bulb holder. Good luck.